Here's a system that was for a confectionery manufacturer. The plant had two existing mineral media trichlor filters, which were having issues with ponding, as you can see from the picture, and needed media replacement. Media in the first filter was replaced first with cross-flow plastic media, and they waited for this to be seeded up to see how it would perform before then taking the second one offline to change that as well. But once this filter was seeded and back online, it was determined that the performance had improved enough to eliminate the need of using the second filter. So that was actually made redundant, and just one filter with plastic was doing what two filters of mineral were doing before. So going back to our previous webinar, another example of an upgrade, but in the industrial sector rather than the municipal sector. So with this system, that's where the media had been put in. They hadn't put the arms on the distributor yet. That was to follow. The average flow coming in was 720 cubic meters a day, and it was supplemented by recycle. This is because the flow varied quite a bit during the week and at the weekends. So recycle compensated for that. It also needed more wetting rate on the media because it's a more open structure than the mineral. So that's where recycle is often incorporated with plastic media to make up the difference if required. In this particular case, the BOD load is relatively low. The concentration is 369 milligrams per litre, not up in the thousands, but the consent was 25 milligrams per litre. But with that lower concentration, a higher surface area media was used, 150 square meters per cubic meter instead of the normal 100 or 125, which allows you to get more process in the same given size tank and volume. And being 1.8 meters deep, that's about 6 feet, the cross-flow action gives you more retention time than just using cross-flow and vertical flow media. That would be the normal case on higher deep bed filters with higher loads. So the actual loading rate on this was 0.313 kilograms per cubic meter per day. Apologies for the metric units, but that's what we are standardizing in the UK at the moment and in Europe.